So in this assembly we have the rigid diagnostic hysteroscope, then this is an operative hysteroscope, and then the resectoscope. So in the diagnostic hysteroscopy, this is the telescope, 4mm telescope, rigid. This is the eyepiece, port for the light, and this is the objective lens, and then there is the outer sheath, so which has a line on it. This telescope is 30 degree with a, then you will assemble it and lock it in a clockwise manner, and then this outer sheath has a port for attaching to the fluid or the distension medium, whatever distension medium. Currently we use only liquid distension medium, and here the light cable is there. So as it is a 30 degree channel, this light is your eyes. So wherever you move the light cable, if you move it to the left side, you will see the left side, and if you will move it to the right side, you will see the right side. And on the eyepiece you will attach the camera. Then you will move it in an anti-clockwise manner and remove the telescope. Then this is the diagnostic and with operative channel. This is an operative hysteroscope. It has an inner sheath which has two ports, two channels, one for the telescope and another for the fluid. And this channel is for the any instrument that you want to put. So to assemble it, this is the outer sheath. Outer sheath has always pores so as to suck out the fluid out of it, and then you will put the telescope in it, and here you will attach the camera. Channel near to the eyepiece is always the inlet, and away from you is the outlet. From the channel provided in it, from there you can put the any operative instrument. So this is the grasper. It can be used to hold any polyp or any IUCD or to take any biopsy. So you just hold it and then take out whole of the assembly out of the uterine cavity. So you will again disassemble it, moving it in an anti-clockwise manner. So this is the resectoscope. This is the main assembly of the resectoscope. Okay, it moves in a gun-like fashion. The inner part has, this is for the telescope, and this is for the any electrode you want to put. So this is the roller ball, this is the loop, this is Collins knife. This electrode has to be inserted in this. It will move like this, and then here is the lock. So you will press it. Here you will attach the monopolar or bipolar cautery, and then the inner sheath at the tip has a ceramic coating. You will put the assembly into this, and then you will lock it. Then the outer sheath, we will identify outer sheath always by the perforator. Again you will put it in this, and then you will lock it. Oops. Then in the last there is telescope. You will again lock it. So it will work in a gun holding fashion. The electrode will come out. You will pass the current and then pull the assembly towards you. It is used to remove polyps, small fibroids, and can be used in transcervical resection of endometrium.